So how to put your website in maintenance mode in Hostinger. If your site is hosted on Hostinger and you want to put it into maintenance mode, there are two ways how you can do it. The first way is directly from hPanel or through the WordPress if you're running the WordPress site. So simply open your hpanel.hostinger.com, and once you are here, go to websites on the left, simply open it. Now select your website and go to dashboard. Mine website is in WordPress, so on the left click WordPress, and there should be section core and maintenance mode. Now it's turned off. I'm gonna show you my web page. This is the default basic one. I'm gonna turn on the maintenance mode. Wait until it's loaded. Now this is the website when the maintenance mode is turned on from Hostinger. Also, if you are in WordPress admin, you can see here the maintenance is on. Second way how you can turn on the maintenance mode, you can just enter the WordPress admin. And in order to do that, we want to install the plugin. I got it already here installed. So you can open plugins and you can add plugin and search for the maintenance mode. You can turn it on, you can search it. And for example, this one, I got it already installed and active. It's gonna appear here on the left, and you can turn on or turn off the maintenance plugin here. Make sure to save changes, and the page gonna look like this. It's more customizable from the WordPress, but you can do it also from the Hostinger. It's easier. So these were two ways how you can enter maintenance mode on your website. If you have any questions, make sure to comment. Also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.